back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the natural hair, homemade product that I use to detangle my daughter's hair. So on this video I'll show you how I prepare them and then how I apply it on her hair. So you watch this video to the end so that you will see the end result. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button there on your right hand side that says subscribe. If you like this video, you give it a thumbs up and make sure you share my videos, please, to support me and to get more videos like this from me. Okay, so let's get down to it. So these are the things that I'll be using. This is shea butter and rice bran oil, Jamaican castle oil, and coconut oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is we need 2 tablespoons of shea butter. So shea butter is very good for dry, damaged hair. It absorbs easily into the scalp and it provides moisture for hair. Then 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil adds a lot of moisture to hair and it brings shine as well. It gives the hair a nice shine and it's good for dry scalp too. The next thing that I'll be using is rice bran oil. Rice bran oil is good, is rich in omega-3, so I'm using 1 tablespoon. It's good, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acid and it has vitamin A, which helps to repair damaged hair follicles, and it also enables hair growth. The next one is castle oil. Castle oil, like we know, is very good for promotes hair growth. It moisturizes scalp and it gives hair very smooth shine and it makes your hair smooth. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of castle oil. So you blend it all together. You can do more if you want and just store it in a jar. Store in a shelf so that it will last longer. Don't leave it in an open place because these are natural products, so you need to preserve the shelf life. So the mixture will look like this, fine paste but a little bit watery. So we'll put it in this jar, but before we put it, I'm gonna fill it in with distilled water. Like half of this bottle with distilled water. I've filled this bottle with distilled water. So you add both of them together. You can see that it's not mixed very well. So what you do is you shake it to mix it. Now it's mixed, so you can then use it. It's supposed to be like that. So when you apply it, it's supposed to give this kind of texture. So it makes the hair very easy to comb, as you can see. She's not feeling any pains on it. So easy to comb. gives the hair loads of shine, and it's very good for dry scalp as well, because she used to have dry scalp, but since I started using this on her, that seems to have stopped. So look at how easy it is to comb the hair. It's very easy. It's not detangling, because her hair used to detangle a lot. Look at that. And it smells really good because of the coconut oil in it. So make sure you apply it in the root as well. Look at that, so easy to comb. Like to see me touch her hair before, but since I started using this, she doesn't find it as painful as it used to be. So now this is it. This is the end result. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye.